Recently, I was unable to install softwares on my Android web Play Store, and then I figured out how I can fix it. Let me show you. I actually want to install Instagram, and then once I click on install, it actually displays this. It says can't install app, and then let me show you what actually happened. And then I was actually surprised. So this is it. I'm trying to install, and then I saw this. Try again, and if this doesn't work, see common way to fix the problem. And I was like, what am I going to do? So I'm going to show you how you can actually solve it. What actually happened is that you need to free up the space. That is the major thing. So for me, you can delete some, you have to free up some space, but I go to setting, go to storage, and then from here, because I'm using a Samsung, so I can actually free up space from this place. Go to junks, go to your photo, you can actually solve them here. So I clean some junks, and I click on confirmed, and then just make sure you free some space, delete some heavy file that you are not using, and once you are done, go back to Play Store, and then you repeat the whole process. And let me see. So I go back to it, and then I click on install, and I guess it will begin to install right away. And I'm going to see whether it's still going to show this particular issue that it actually brought earlier. So yeah, it is still loading, and it's supposed to have actually shown it, so but it's not really showing it. So I guess it has been fixed. So if you're having issues or difficulties in installing some software from Play Store, it might actually be space issues. So just free up some storage, and you should, and of course, be able to install whatever you actually want to install. You can get a memory card for it if your phone is kind of full. So yeah, it is. I'm able to install it without any problem. So see you in the next video.